Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a lady's Seiko mesh watch strap. So as you can see, we have this very beautiful vintage 90s Seiko watch that has this mesh bracelet. So we have this clasp right here that we need to slide up and down in order to tighten it or to loosen it. For this particular tutorial, I'm going to use the spring bar removal tool. You can find it within the basic watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. And what we want to do is to insert our tool right here in order to lift this flap up. And then I'm going to push it all the way. And now I can slide it up and down. There are going to be various models, so some variations. For example, here we have the Casio watch. Here, this particular model even features an arrow. I can insert the tool, then I can lift the flap and I can slide the same way. At the end, what we want to do is to push it back in. I'm going to hear a click and make sure that it is secure. So now I'm going to also close the Seiko one. I'm going to push this part just like that and now push it back in. Make sure that it is secure and voila, I have adjusted this lady's Seiko mesh bracelet. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one.